Hello and welcome. Congratulations on your new fully automatic espresso machine KF2 with iced coffee. Let's see what's inside your Espresso Essentials box. You've got a ground coffee scoop, a water filter, brew unit cleaning tablets, and a water hardness test strip. See this scoop? It also installs your filter. Pretty handy. Before we get started, let's give a few parts a quick rinse. Take out the water tank, drip tray, and steam wand. Rinse them under warm water and dry completely. Slide everything back into place. That's it! Now we're ready to set up your filter. Again, see this notched end? That's your filter installation tool. Place the filter into the notch. Remove the water tank. Now twist the filter into the holder inside the tank. There we go, it's locked in. Now fill the tank with cold tap water. Fill it to the max line and place it back on the machine. Let's power on your machine. Press the power switch on the right side. Now that a new filter is installed, we'll need to give it a quick rinse before first use. Press the flashing start button. Place a container under the dispenser and let it run while water runs through the steam wand and dispenser. Next, let's test your water hardness, unless you're using a water filter. If a filter's installed, you can skip this step. Dip the strip in tap water, shake off the extra, and wait about a minute. Press Drink Type and scroll to Hot Water. Now press and hold Drink Type and Dose for 3 seconds. The strength icons light up. These represent your water hardness levels. Press Strength to match your test strip result. Press Start to save. Perfect! Now let's add some beans and get brewing. You can add whole beans to the hopper on top. Or, if you prefer pre-ground coffee, like decaf, use the chute beside it. Before your first real cup, you need to purge the system. Run 4 espresso shots to flush everything through. Toss these, they're just for flushing the system. Now you're all set. Your machine is dialed in and ready to make great coffee. Time for the real thing.